My name is Anthony Ally, and I love solving the world's toughest management problems. And I look to build high performance cultures. I help organizations to bring out the best of their people. That's my primary focus right now. And especially I work with different leaders of various organizations at all levels, but I also work with project managers and engineers and technologists to help them to show the higher value they can add to the organizations to effectively communicate at higher levels in a way that they can engage with people beyond just our natural geeky self. And I love to bring out their best because I know many people out there can add so much value to the world if they can only learn how to communicate more effectively, how to present their heart and connect heart to heart to their audience.